Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're going to do Usher's Bad Girl. It is so much fun. It's super easy. It's for the grown and sexy, I like to say. So you're going to have a lot of fun. Now, if these videos are helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will keep them coming. Okay? So we're going to get started. It is a one wall dance. Okay, there is some turn, but it's just facing one way, and it's 8 counts of 8. Okay, 8 counts of 8, but it's only 4 moves. It's really 4 counts, and they're repeated. So again, super easy for the grown and sexy. All right, so going to turn around so you can follow to make it easy. This is my right. This is my left. Okay, first move. The first 2 counts of 8 are swinging the hips. So you're going to go swing up and then step back, right, left, swing it, left, right, left. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's try that again. So you're going to do that. You're going to swing the hips for a total of 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, right, left, right, left. Okay? All right. The third and fourth counts of 8, or the second move, is going to be where you roll your body and then you sit. Okay? So I like to think of it as, remember back in the day we would do the snake, right? You snake to the side, then you snake down. That's the move, okay? So you just swung that last hip and step left, right, left. So you're gonna pick up your right foot, step it behind on 1, and then roll it, hit 2, up 3, roll it again, hit 4. Okay? And then step behind with the left, pick up to roll your body down, okay? And then pick it up and roll it again. So the count is up 1, roll 2, 3, 4. Step, roll 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then you do that again twice. So it's 4 rolls. Ready? Up and down, up, down. Roll it, sit, and sit. Again, down, down, back, sit, and sit. Okay? Those are the first 4 counts of 8. Halfway done. All right, let's put those 2 moves together. 5, 6, step with the right and swing it. 2, right, swing it. Left, left, swing it. Right, swing it. Left, left. Now roll it. 2, 3, and 4, and step back and hit. Roll it. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, 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 good. All right, so now the 5th and 6th counts, or the third move, is when you're going to travel. You're going to travel with the cha-cha-cha going forward. You start with the right, cha-cha-cha, step and turn, and repeat it. Cha-cha-cha, step and turn. One more time. Step with the right, 1 and 2, step 3, turn 4, 5 and 6, step 7, turn 8. Okay? All right, let's try it. 5. So we just rolled and roll. Now we start with the cha-chas. Cha-cha, step and turn, cha-cha, step and turn, cha-cha, step and turn, cha-cha, step and turn. All right. Last move, the 4th move, are side steps to the right and then to the left. So you're going to start with the right foot. You're just going to pick it for four steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then to the left. 4 rows to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right, so it's step and step, right, left, 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 left. Right? And then the dance starts over. That is it. So let's put all 4 moves together real slow. All right? Starting from the top with the swing at the hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing it. And right, left, right. And swing it. And repeat it. Swing. And swing. Now 1, 2. And sit it down. Back. Roll it. Hit. Roll it. And cha-cha. Cha-cha. And step and turn. Cha-cha. And step and turn. Cha-cha. And step and turn, cha-cha. Now walk to the right. Walk, 2, 4, 6, 8. And to the left. 3, 5, 7, 8. And that's it. So you see how easy it is to put your own flavor to it, all right? So much fun. You will enjoy it. So again, no more excuses. Get out on the dance floor. When this song comes on, I want you to lead the line dance. All right? So until next time, have fun. Enjoy yourselves. Get out there and move. All right? Take care. Love you. Mwah.